Rise. Let go. Been on my grind, getting way too rich. Ain't had time for nobody ever since. Don't hit my line if it ain't about a dime. Every time hit him with the new phone. Who this? I ain't playing new phone. Who this? New phone. Who this? New phone. Who this? New phone. I ain't playing new phone. Who this? New phone. Who this? New phone. Who this? New phone. Who this? I don't have a reason to lie. Could be just me and survive. I pick up the phone, I don't like your tone. As soon as my battery died, I don't have the time to play with you dummies. I'm no longer chasing the money, I'm taking it all. Pull up LeBron, I'm looking the ball. Feel like John when I'm hitting the wall. I done been through more than 5 lines. These girls always find minds. Told them what they crossing right now. Here is a fine line, but they don't care like they don't hear, and it really blows my mind. I told them 401-297-2226 5 times. It ain't my fault. You can judge, it ain't my court, but I don't know what lane I want, so you better keep it on the sidewalk. That's why you're saving with the side talk. It's hard to hear from the game. Traveling the world off of my brain. New phone and house before a new chain. Oh man, stack all week. No plan. Lights up, beach. No sand. Success ain't sweet. No grand. I got those keys. No band. You ain't called me in a year, then you don't even know me, and it's fine. I've been busy getting busy. Now they wanna hit me on the side, but I been on my grind, getting way too rich. Been on my grind. Ain't had time for nobody ever since. I ain't had time. Don't hit my line if it ain't about a dime. Every time hit him with the new phone. Who this? I ain't playing new phone. Who this? New phone. Who this? New phone. Who this? New phone. I ain't playing new phone. Who this? New phone. Who this? New phone. Who this? New phone.
I don't got too many flaws. Feeling way too exquisite. How you get my number? I'ma have to change my digits. Ringtone, this your theme song, bet this make you vibrate. Now we buzzing like it's nothing, no discussion. I'm from London to the tri-state. Money calling like, yes sir. We don't fold under pressure. They swear we cut from the same cloth, but this a whole different texture. You gon' learn this a lecture. Got the moves like a wrestler. Put your girl in a leg like till she get the message. I ain't even have to text her. If you ain't locked in, I'll probably forget you. Bruh, you gon' remember my name, even though the contact ain't the same. Going for Uncle what a year, too many nieces and nephews. I could make kids if I want to, but my bro flawless can son you. Doing numbers need a new one. Hotline blinking too much, they moving fish shit. Tune up, engine probably need a tune up. Parking out what we do, bruh. Kilometer for the milestone. Now about the bread like a cow's on, you probably gon' get the down.
Been on my grind, getting way too rich. Been on my grind. Ain't had time for nobody ever since. I ain't had time. Don't hit my line if it ain't about a dime. Every time hit him with the new phone. Who this? I ain't playing new phone.
Who this?
New phone.
Who this?
New phone.
Who this?
New phone. I ain't playing new phone.
Who this?
New phone.
Who this?
New phone.
Who this?
New phone.
Who this? Who this?
Seen the Reverend gave the strangers from all Santa to come down. Now to me, PD, I had a lot. Appreciated everything that I got, though I used to take my pops, went caught shaking the box, cause I knew I couldn't wait till it turned 12 o'clock.
Cookies and milk, satin or silk. I'm chilling in the living room, wrapped in a quilt. I'm waiting on this fat red suit wearing, comparing my gifts to my homeboy next door to me. A gift here, none there, but who cares? My little sister needs a comb just to braid her nappy hair. But here we go again, waiting on the enemy to slide down the chimney. Look here, that ain't reality.